I'm now joined by the CEO of PAM Health Rehabilitation Hospital of Victoria, Mr. Tommy Beyer. Welcome to Community Crossroads.
Thanks for having me.
It's always great to see you. And what you'll have in store for us this month?
Well, I wanted to let the viewers know about January 18th from 5 o'clock to 8 o'clock at Aerocrafters. We're going to have a job
a job fair.
Yes, job fair. Yeah, so we're looking for RNs, for LVNs, and for charge RNs. So you guys probably know that we actually have 4 hospitals in Victoria. I'm actually here, speaking on behalf of all 4. So we have openings for RNs, charge RNs, LVNs, and all of our levels of care, which include the long-term acute care setting where there's ICU level of care, a lot of that.
Oh, yeah.
A very sick patient, really great place for an RN to learn all the aspects of their job. And then of course rehab is it's a very unique scenario of patients that are sort of exiting the phase of sickness, returning home. Those RNs being in that setting would be, to me, it's a really great opportunity here, right here in Victoria.
And there must be some experiences or opportunities for mentorship too, if this is your first job as an RN.
Yeah, so what we're hoping at this Aerocrafters event is that we can, if you have aspirations of being a nurse, and I also want to mention PT, OT, speech therapists, we're hiring those levels as well.
Wow.
That if you want to learn a little bit about what we're doing, we very much invite folks that are interested in the field as well.
And maybe even current students, because here in our own backyard we've got the Victoria College School of Nursing, the UHV program.
Right.
So many aspiring health professionals.
Sure. And we do clinicals in all of our settings. So absolutely, if you've already spent some time with us doing a clinical, we definitely invite you. And then of course, outside of that as well, like I think there's a ton of opportunity within our hospital systems. We like to call ourselves world-class healthcare right here in your hometown. Come and visit with the managers. I'll be there as well. Learn a little bit about what we do.
Well, I know y'all are a great resource for us here in rural South Texas, a big resource. So people don't have to go all the way to a big city to get that essential rehabilitation care or whatever it may be that they need.
Yeah, typically rehab is something you'll see in a large city. It's kind of a surprise to a lot of people that we do what we do. People will have had some stints with rehabs in those big cities, come back to Victoria, and they're surprised at the level of attention and focus that we have compared to even what they had there. Really great operation altogether. Again, I'd love to talk more about it if your viewers are interested.
At the job
come
fair.
See us. Right, that's right.
Let's remind them about the time. It starts at 5?
At 5, and it'll conclude at 8. From
5 to 8 at Aerocrafters. And so it's going to have a little bit of a social kind of vibe.
Correct.
But also educational.
Yeah, we'll have some light refreshments there as well, and then like I said, maybe an opportunity just to hang out and be learn a little bit as well.
Well, thank you so much, Mr. Beyer, for making it on the show.
Thank you.
All right. Well, coming up, don't go anywhere. We hear from the Texas Zoo.